Hi everyone, my name is Sierra, and in this short video I'll be talking about the platform called Kahoot. I chose Kahoot because it supports remote learning, active engagement, and helps students review complex materials in a fun and interactive way. As a dental hygiene educator, we all know that students often can struggle with retaining terminology and anatomy, and Kahoot will help bring it to life in a fun and interactive way. Kahoot. Kahoot is a game-based learning platform that allows users to create and play interactive quizzes and learning games. It is used in various settings, including classrooms, business meetings, and social gatherings, to make learning fun and engaging. Players will join a game by entering a unique PIN on their device and they can compete to answer questions correctly as quickly as possible. The teaching presence element of the community of inquiry model by providing direct instruction, instant feedback, and structured guidance during online and in-person learning. It creates a sense of instructor presence even in remote environments, which is critical for student success. Research also shows that Kahoot increases participation and engagement in higher education courses, including health sciences programs. Of Kahoot are it's engaging and fun, so it turns learning into a game, increasing motivation and energy in the classroom. It provides immediate feedback so learners instantly see whether their answers are correct, reinforcing understanding in real time. It promotes active learning so it keeps students mentally alert and involved rather than passively listening. And also, it's easy to use and accessible, so it works on phones, tablets, or computers with no special software needed. Formative assessment. It has quick, low stakes way to gauge comprehension before a test or after a lesson. It encourages collaboration and competition, so it can be used in teams to promote teamwork and communication skills. It's customizable and versatile, so instructors can tailor quizzes to specific topics, outcomes, or clinical cases. It supports review and reinforcement. It's great for reviewing key concepts before exams or a practical assessment. Great inclusive learning tool. It appeals to different learning styles, visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. It encourages participation from all learners, regardless of background knowledge. It fosters a positive learning environment, adds humor, excitement, and connection to lessons, and helps build rapport between the instructor and the learners. I decided to create a Kahoot in my oral facial anatomy course, and I created a custom anatomy specific Kahoot game where the students identified two structures and named surfaces. So this is what the starting screen would look like. This is my example of one of the questions I created, and it pops up looking like this. This is what it looks like at the next step. So it comes with 4 different answers, and you have to pick the best answer for the question that was asked. You can also create different colors and shapes on the game itself. It promotes active recall, which is one of the strongest strategies for long-term attention. It builds motivations through friendly competition, provides instant feedback, helping both instructors and students quickly identifying gaps. Also, it increases engagement too. It worked well in anatomy because I got the students to identify tooth structures and oral structures. I also used it to quiz the students before a lab and clinical session, and it also really helped their critical thinking by using the scenario-based decision-making skills. It promotes active recall and knowledge retention. It builds motivation through competition, provides instant feedback, and helps identify learning gaps. So while Kahoot is highly effective, there are also some limitations. The timer can create stress, especially for learners with slower processing speed or anxiety. The competition may discourage students who prefer reflective, non-competitive environments. Students can also prioritize speed over accuracy. In large classes, it may be inconsistent. Internet speed can make gameplay unfair, or Kahoot requires payment for some features, which may limit access for some users. Planning and design tips, you want to focus on one learning goal per Kahoot, and using visuals works the best. Kahoot plan could be choosing one module topic, creating a 10-question Kahoot, and including at least 3 images in each question. Ways are that it transforms review sessions into energetic learning and provides immediate insight into student comprehension, and also enhances teaching presence and engagement. So try Kahoot in your classroom. My question for you is, how can you implement Kahoot into your classroom? Thank you.